Alright, hey you guys. My door's open. Crap. Okay, so I get a tweet. Um, crap. Crap. Saying my school is about to go under because it's been pouring down rain since yesterday afternoon. And it's flooded in my town, pretty much. And my school is about to go underwater because it's in a holler. Well, I forgot. Y'all don't live in Tennessee or something, y'all. So, a holler is like when two hills like coming together. That valley, pretty much. That's a holler. Well, our school's in a holler, and if like the slightest rain, like the creek or the ditch is in front of our school, it starts to fill up, and like our whole school parking lot, the student parking lot, teacher parking lot, it starts to fill up with water. And I'm just hoping it floods my school tomorrow because I don't want to go to school. Um, guys, don't open my car. Oh crap, crap. It's supposed to be clean, but as you can see, yeah. Anyways, I don't know why I'm making this video. I just wanted to. I'm gonna turn into like one of those like time YouTubers where like they go to their camera to like relieve stress or something. I don't know. uh, I just wanted to post a video. I haven't posted one since yesterday. So yeah, I really hate how my laptop like lags really bad. I'm probably gonna start posting some more videos from my iPhone. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, by the way, somebody asked me, like they inboxed me on YouTube and was like, you'd be so much prettier if you wore makeup and actually wore your hair down. I do wear makeup, but because I usually do my videos like on weekends when I'm spending my time home, because I don't have a lot until nighttime, so my hair's always up, get it right now, and I don't wear makeup. Well, I do, but just not like right now. So don't expect me to wear much makeup in my videos. I'll probably look like this half the time. So yeah, I hope y'all had a fantastic Sunday. For those who are watching that go to my school, you guys keep hoping and praying that our school will flood and we'll get out tomorrow. But we probably won't because our school district superintendent is retarded. I shouldn't have said that. I take that back. Crap. Unintelligent. There we go. He is unintelligent. Because when the roads are washed out and you can't get to your school, that's the problem, mister. So yeah, keep praying for the rain. The rain is a good thing. Rain makes corn, and corn makes whiskey, and whiskey makes my baby a little frisky. Okay, I'm ending this now because I'm just looking stupid now. Bye.